house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
Martin, my grandkids want a little splash pad.
Splash pads have become.
So,
Splash pads have become.
can I satisfy my grandkids?
You
my
absolutely
dog?
can. We can do that. We can put fountains in them. We've done them where we've done on a Baja shelf where we do actually a splash pad.
You know, my neighbor had a splash pad. You know what I liked about it? The other neighbor on the other side of him has teenagers in a rock band. And when they're practicing in the garage, he turns that little splash pad on for just like a white noise. It drowns the noise, and it kind of protects the privacy of his backyard.
Splash pads have become very much, a standard in the pool industry. We've done a few of them for the city of Tucson.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend. Rosie on the house, every Arizona